Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Ew, that's not. Yeah, she's there.
That's the type of people you hope get up here and get in an accident.